How people welcome back into this channel. So we all know that calendar is a thing that help us know about the dates of today, tomorrow, the day before yesterday, and so on and so on. And you must know that this calendar on iPhone can get you a reminder for your monthly event, and this is the way. Open your calendar right away, and then you just need to go back into the basic calendar here, and then you just need to decide the dates that you want to get the reminder in. So let's say you're every 17th on every month I will get an event called like a girls day out. So every 17th for every month, so you just need to go click the 17th year on the April, and then you just need to go click this plus button right here. Now you just need to get the title of the event that you want to have. So let's say here I want to have a girl time, and the next thing you need to do is just go click or set the reminder. How or when do you want to get the reminder for the time? So let's say here the event will be at 8 at the night, so I want to get a reminder at 4 in the afternoon. So you just need to go click this side, and you just need to set the time into 4 in afternoon, and then you just need to go scrolling down and check the other things. So you can just find the repeat right here. So as I told you, we want to have the monthly reminder, so make sure that in the repeat section you just need to change from never into every month, and now you will got a reminder for every 17th for every month for a girl's time. So that is the way how to get reminder or monthly reminder only with your iPhone calendar. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully we can see you again on the next video.